Hello RV people. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the restroom vent cap. As you can see, mine is broken and it's missing the top cap, so I ended up getting this on Amazon. I'll put the link for the description under my video. You can get that. So the first step is we need to remove this caulk, this sealant, that's the old one, and then we're going to get access to this screws. So that's what we're gonna have to do first. Remove this, and then let's unscrew, and then we can remove this cap. After that, I'll show you next step. All right, keep watching. All right, so now as you can see, we just removed this. So now we just have to clean up here, and then we're gonna put the sealant first before we put the new one. We put the sealant here first, very well, and then we can put the new one. All right, I'll show you. All right, so before we install this, as you can see, it comes like this. So you have to remove the cap first, yeah, and then you're gonna have to nicely kind of let it go in, and then you have to put a little bit pressure to make it squeeze through here perfectly. And then once it sits flat on the sealant, then we can put the screw. All right, so now we just have to clean this area with a mineral spirit. You need this for this job. You need this kind of mineral spirit or acetone, screwdriver. It's very simple. And then this putty knife. Just be careful not to scratch the rubber roof. That's the only tool you need. Simple process. All right. Oh, I forgot to mention, you also need a caulk gun, and then the roof sealant. So this one is this, I'll link in the description. I'll link Amazon link for this one. Much affordable than the famous brand ones. So it's good for RVs. All right, so this is the end product. Very simple. We just screwed all the screws, and then we used the lap sealant, RV lap sealant. It was a Dicor product. Actually, it's better for the roof sealant. That's it. Hope this helps.